Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. Another IPO is about to hit the market and this one will be listed in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. I'm sure by now you must have guessed it. Yes, it's Phoenix Group. They are into blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions. In this video, I will share all the information related to this IPO. But before that, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel, show your support on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also, I have uploaded a video on Dubai Taxi IPO. Just in case if you have missed it, a link will appear right at the top. You may click and watch that video. For now, let's talk about Phoenix IPO. So firstly, let's understand when is this IPO starting and who is eligible to apply for this IPO. You may start applying for this IPO from 16th of November onwards. This IPO will only run for 2 days. That means it will end on 18th of November. And if we talk about the total float they are offering, it will be 1.36 billion dirhams worth of shares. That is only 15% of their company shares. Now the question arises, who are eligible to apply for this IPO? So the good news is both retail and professional investors can apply for Phoenix Group IPO. Now let me give you some information how many shares are available for retail investors. Well, in total 60.48 million shares are available for retail investors. Obviously for professional investors it's a lot more. This is just the 7% out of the total offering. And now something very interesting, what will be the offering price per share of this IPO? Well, they have already disclosed and they have set it at 1.5 dirhams per share. This is very nominal and I think it will be oversubscribed. And by the way, this will be the first IPO that will be listed under crypto segment. So definitely this IPO will be grabbing attention from everywhere. Another important question is, what is the minimum investment required to apply this IPO? Well, retail investors should apply minimum 5,000 dirhams. And then if you want to add more, it should be in multiple of 1,000 dirhams. Something interesting that got my attention in this IPO is retail investors will get minimum 1,000 shares out of their investments. And now let's note down some important dates for this IPO. Settlement of shares for professionals will be on 22nd and 23rd of November, whereas allocations for retail investors will be on 24th of November. Retail investors will get SMS confirmations and refunds on 25th of November, and it will be listed in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. You may start trading this stock on 4th of December 2023. So these were the highlights for Phoenix Group IPO. Now let's understand how to subscribe. Well, first thing first, you will need a NIN or investor number. Without NIN, you cannot invest, trade or subscribe any IPOs that will be listed in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. It's very easy to get an investor number. Just in case if you have missed my previous video, I will provide an iCard right at the top. You may watch that video and apply for investor number. You may apply Phoenix Group IPO through their official mobile application, that is Sahmi, or through participating banks, that is First Abu Dhabi Bank for now. Or if you have an investor number already, then you must be having a broker. I'm sure they will be providing this service as well so that you can subscribe to this IPO. Overall, I personally think this IPO will be a bumper hit. It will be a first stock that will be listed under crypto segment, and most likely I think it will be oversubscribed too. Please do your own research before investing. Read the prospectus on their website. Once you are happy and satisfied, you can start investing. If this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button to show your support. For more updates on the markets, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.